The marks that we made don't guarantee that the timing is going to be correct. We set this up this way so that they would line up pretty much where it was, because we had the crankshaft that we had not turned. But what we're going to have to do is rotate this cam phaser actually one tooth over. The chain must have moved one tooth on the crankshaft side down below. We're still at top dead center. We have the crank locked, so we know it hadn't moved. But if you look at our arrow, it's off to the side. So we have to move this over and move it basically counterclockwise one tooth in order to have our timing be back on. So again, the chain doesn't really matter where it goes on. There's no dots on the chain itself. You just need to make sure that when it's all together, that arrow is pointing straight down again, where it would be pointing to the crankshaft dot. Now, as we go to align this, you'll see the little nub that we're trying to line up on the back of that cam phaser. And so what we like to do is basically set it just a little bit higher, push it with the screwdriver just barely down, and then put that phaser back on and see if we can get it to lock into place. So in order to get that nub to line up, what we like to do is just move it slightly a little bit higher, and then you're pushing down on the cam lobe to get the cam lobe to twist a little bit, and you're also pushing forward on the cam so that it's up against this, and then you can feel it lock into that place. Then when you turn this, when you hear that and you see the cams moving, you know that that nub's made it into the back there. So again, now you'll notice our timing arrow is pointing directly down where it should be for the crankshaft, and our alignment marks are now off by a tooth, and that's okay. Next we went